In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Workspace members in Trello. We'll guide you step by step to ensure that you feel confident and capable of adding members to your Trello workspace by the end of this tutorial. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to go to Trello's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in trello.com in the address bar. You can also find Trello by searching for it in your favorite search engine. Once you're there, you'll land on Trello's homepage or its login page, depending on your previous interactions with the site. Now, let's talk about logging in. You need to select how you'd like to log in to Trello. Trello offers several convenient login options. You could use your email and password or sign in effortlessly using Google, Microsoft, or Apple accounts. Choose whichever method you typically use. Remember, picking one of the single sign-on options can simplify your process if you use Trello a lot on different devices. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to select the workspace you'd like to manage. Your available workspaces can be found on the left-hand sidebar. If you're unsure which workspace you should be working with, remember it's often titled something relevant to your current projects or team. Click on the desired workspace to move forward. If you don't see the sidebar, try expanding the menu or look for a workspace section that will guide you to what you need. Now, once the board loads, it's time to share it with your team or colleagues. You have two main ways to add members to your Trello board. The first is by inviting them via email. Look for an option like Invite or Share at the top of your Trello board page. When you click it, you should see fields to input email addresses. Enter the emails of those you wish to invite and send the invites. Those recipients will receive an email inviting them to join your Trello board, making this an efficient way to expand your team's collaboration space. Alternatively, you can share the link to the board. This option is particularly useful when you're communicating through other platforms or with a group. Simply copy the board's link directly from your browser's address bar or look for a copy link option within Trello itself. Then, send this link to anyone you want to invite to your board. Remember to make sure your board settings allow link sharing if others have difficulties accessing it. Throughout this process, feel free to explore the Trello help section if you encounter any hiccups, but these steps should have you smoothly managing your workspace members in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Trello.